Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Motorola Moto G10 is stuck on the black screen. In case your screen turned black and your phone became unresponsive, we just have to force restart the phone. In order to do this, you have to hold down the power button of your smartphone by itself for about 10 to 20 seconds, maybe even to half a minute sometimes. Just keep holding it until the Motorola logo appears on your screen. And then you can release the power button and let your phone restart. And if this leads to no effect, then first of all, connect the charging cable to your device and charge your device for at least half an hour, and then try turning it on again. And after that, the problem should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.